Lindell's off on our trip. We're heading to 25 waterfalls, various places. Today's date is October 16th, 2022, and we decided this morning we're going to go to Cumberland Falls in Kentucky first thing, so that's where we're heading. And then later on today we're going to try to go to Mount Airy, North Carolina. So hope you enjoy our trip. Cumberland Falls, Kentucky. Where are we at, Lindell?
Hey, we're at Cumberland Falls.
All right. Leaving Cumberland Falls, we've been here about an hour, and it was just mist and rain at first. Beautiful, beautiful falls, beautiful leaves. We got some good shots. Right when we were getting ready to go, it's kind of raining, and so we're all kind of soaked right now, and we're back in the truck and heading on to Mount Airy right now, I guess.
Turn right.
Good morning. It's Monday morning, and we are on the Blue Ridge Parkway heading to something called Mayberry Mill, about a mile away. The trees are real pretty here. Some of them are already at their peak, but it's a beautiful morning. It's just quit raining finally, and the sun's come out. Everything's a little wet, but we're about to find out if Mayberry Mill is going to make a good picture. So stay tuned. Okay, here we are at Mayberry Mill. It's a beautiful day. You can see the mill in the background, lots of people here. The fall leaves are beautiful. We're getting some really good shots, so we're really happy about our trip out here. I just was liking this lane right through here. This is pretty. Look at this. Okay, we're in Mount Airy. We just pulled in, and we're in front of the Andy Griffith Museum. We're going to go in and tour that a little while, and then we're going to drive around and look at where Andy was raised here and go to the jail and some of the different places. So let's go.
Oh, I did see those settings. Yeah. It's all about that GoPro. Yeah.
And so they'll stop and say, you're not moving the woods, just walk this out. You're already taking it for granted. All right, we'll get you right here. This is the best angle to get wildlife service station in the background and everything. It'll be fabulous. Absolutely. That is fun.
Coming in. Excuse me. Well, here we are driving to Elk River Falls, way back in the woods. All right, we're on our way now to a waterfall area called Linville Falls. There's like an upper and lower falls there, and then there's another one there, we think, called Duggar Falls. It's hopefully a little short hike, so this is Linville Falls. Good morning, we're on the trail. It's Tuesday morning, we're heading to Tom's Creek Falls. It's pretty chilly. Doesn't feel bad though. And we're almost there. Tom's Creek Falls. All right, hello again. We're still on our waterfall journey, and we're heading to what they call Crabtree Falls. Boy, the trees through here are beautiful. Really beautiful this morning. The sun was Okay, here we are on the Crabtree Falls Trail, and the weather has turned really cold all at once. All right. Crabtree Falls. Okay, here we are at Roaring Fork Falls, and it's a little sunny. You can see the waterfall coming down. Beautiful leaves on some of the rocks. The water. I'm positioned out in the middle of the stream here on a big rock. Hope I don't fall off. All right, we're on to our next waterfall. This is called Set Rock Creek Falls. Is that right?
Yep.
It's way back in the boonies. Supposedly we're almost there.
Half
a mile to go. Was that a video or? Well, we were supposed to just see a waterfall called Glassmine, 800 feet tall. As you can see, we're in a snowstorm almost. It is snowing. We're in the clouds. You couldn't even see the waterfall. So I don't know if we'll get back here or not before we take off. Man, this is crazy. Look at that. All right, it's Wednesday morning. Our first waterfall was called Little Bradley, right by this creek here. We started up and the path went right next to the creek. And it looked too treacherous, so we're gonna scrap this one and head to the next one. Okay, we're at Chimney Rock State Park, and they've got a waterfall here called Hickory Nut, and it is cold and windy. There's not a whole lot of water, but there's the look of it right there. But boy, there's some views in this park. Wow. So this is a pay park, and there's some towers you can climb up in and see off a long way. We're going to do that next. 404 feet high.
The ones of the lake just look too far away.
Wow.
Hold that tight.
I know, I'm afraid it's going to blow away. Are we going in, Lyndall?
Yeah.
All right, here we are at Mary Falls. We're way out in the middle of nowhere. I didn't think we were going to find anything, but all of a sudden, there it was on the side of the road. Not too bad for dry weather. Morning.
Hey,
Where are we at this morning?
Wildcat Falls.
South Carolina right now. So there's one down there by the highway, and then there's a small one right here. So we're on our way back to Brevard. We ran into this one, so we thought we'd check it out. Okay, here we are, 2.2 miles out on a trail called Ravens Cliff. Kind of disappointing. The waterfall is way, way off yet. We can't really get close to it because of just the way it is. So you can see it there. It's a big fall, but I guess this is as close as we're gonna get. So here we are in East Fork Creek Falls, I guess it's called. And it's a pretty little fall. We're in North Carolina now. And we made our way down to it, and we're getting ready to take some pictures and give you a view of the water goes on down the creek. Okay, this is the other side of Conisty Falls. We were able to go into a development, and they let us come in and take a trail, and we got to the other side that we didn't even know existed last year. And so here we are taking pictures here, and if you look up real high, that's where we were at first, taking pictures. And we didn't even know we could come in here, but we got permission, so it's pretty cool. Here we are at the French Road River. There's two waterfalls that come together here, right in this guy's backyard. This is really neat. There's one. There's the other one. There's his house. This is a neat spot along this river. This is really neat. Look at the size of that rock over our head. Gee whiz. Little cave in there. A little waterfall. This is a neat spot. Good morning, it's Friday morning. We're out here in the boonies again. Daniels Ridge Creek. There it is, hiding back in the woods. We're just getting here. Looks pretty. We'll take a picture of it. Beautiful trail back in the woods here. Here's Daniels Ridge Falls. Not running a whole lot of water, but not bad. Take a picture of it. Okay, Jacob, this is the one that you need to bring your beautiful wife to. This is 276 highway, I believe, right outside Brevard. This is Looking Glass. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. It looks good. We were here last year, but we had to stop again. Okay, here we are at another waterfall. This is called Sliding Rock, and in the summertime the kids come here and for a fee, and they slide down this waterfall. So Looks like it would be fun when I was younger. So there it is, Sliding Rock. Okay, here we are off of the Blue Ridge Highway. This is called the Graveyard Fields Waterfalls. There's two in here, an easy one and a hard one. We're going to do the easy one first. Got a little creek we got to cross here. The leaves have already, they're about done here. It doesn't look too good, but anyway, let's go check it out. Okay, here we are at our next waterfall, second to the last one supposedly. This is called Dill Waterfall. It's really pretty. The sun's right on it, so at least it's not half shaded. Really nice. Hike wasn't too bad to get here. All right, here we go underneath. So on our way back, heading out of here, we found called Sabja waterfall. We couldn't find it last year, and there it is. It's big, beautiful. It's a little dark, it's hard to see. The sun's not good. And then there's the trail going down to it. I don't know, that looks kind of sketchy. What are you doing? What are you doing? You gonna come up to me? Huh? Lyndall, he wants something. Huh. Isn't that weird?